Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Khembuzz Designs. Guys, if today is your first time visiting my channel, watching my video, welcome to Khembuzz Designs. If you're wondering, my name is Oluwakemi from Lagos, Nigeria. Guys, to my existing subscribers, welcome to Khembuzz Designs. Guys, you know I love you so much, and also thanks so much for your support and your love. I really do appreciate everything. So guys, today's video is all about cylinder arms machine. So guys, I'm just gonna be telling you guys how to control the speed. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can pass your thread. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can basically guys, I'll be showing you a lot of things on how to use your cylinder arms machine. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification button to get notified whenever I drop interesting videos. Guys, don't forget to share, comment, and like. Thank you, and God bless you. Guys, first thing, I'm gonna be passing my thread, showing you guys how you can pass a thread. So guys, please watch this aspect carefully so that you'll be able to do it better. So I'm just gonna pass the thread now to the thread tension dial. Guys, watch this aspect carefully. It can be a little bit confusing. So guys, you need to take your time, watch it, and also take your time to pass your thread. The next thing now is to pass, just to pass my thread to the take up lever, and after passing my thread, then I'm just gonna put it inside of that hole. Just take it down. Guys, when you're threading your machine, please don't skip. Try not to skip any part. It is very important, guys. So the next thing to do now is to pass the thread to the needle. So guys, the next thing, now we're through with the needle, is to bring out the bobbin cover, and just bring out the railer. Just want to show you guys how you can fix your railer to your bobbin binder. Guys, this is railer, so I'm just gonna put it inside the bobbin binder spindle. So I'm just gonna put it inside. I'm not sure if I'm correct, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it inside, and then just put it inside the machine where it's gonna be sitting. And after that, I'm just gonna use my bobbin cover to, cover it. That is used to protect your reel. Guys, this is the power switch. So the green is for the on, while the red is for signify off. Guys, these are the two foot pedal. The next thing is to pick out the thread, just take the needle, put it inside, and then pick out, the thread from the reeler. Guys, this actually controls the pressure foot. It controls the pressure foot where you have your leather, guys. What I'm gonna be doing right now is to put this leather, under that pressure foot, and just stitch. Just showing you how the stitch looks like. Guys, I've not actually reduced the speed of this machine, so I'm using the speed just like that. But if you want to reduce the speed, you can reduce it from the pedal, which an engineer can do for you. So you have to buy something and then fix it to the pedal. There's a way they do it, so that is the way you can reduce the speed. But I have not reduced mine, so it's very fast. So I have to be careful, just trying to be careful with it. This works in two ways, which means you can actually use it for your stitch length down, or you can use it for your reverse stitch lever. So guys, basically I'm just gonna use this for my stitch length down. It was actually on 3, but now I just took it to 5. So you guys will see the difference when I start stitching my leather. Guys, this is number 3 stitch, so I'm just gonna do the 5th stitch for you guys to see. So you actually use this side to control the stitch. You can put it number 3, number 2, how you want the stitch to be, how you want it to, if you want it to be big, if you want it to be small, you just have to control it here. Guys, can you see that this is more wider than this other one? So this is 5 stitch and this is 3 stitch. So this is the back stitch. If you want to back stitch, you just have to just press this plate. Guys, this is used for a folder, so I'm still gonna connect it. I'm still gonna call an engineer to connect it for me. So I still need to get some things, I still need to buy 1 or 2 things to get it done. Actually, if I want to stitch, sometimes I have to remove this so that I can stitch conveniently. So guys, right now, the next thing I'm gonna be doing right now is to show you guys how to oil your machine. Guys, you need to look for, just follow this procedure of what I'm doing right now, and oil your machine, the open place, the nuts, you need to oil them well. And also guys, one more tip is if you're stitching, if you're sewing, please always put a little bit oil to your leather so that the stitches can move smoothly. Guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys were able to learn one or two things. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also guys, don't forget to like, comment and share. Don't forget to click on the notification button to get notified whenever I drop interesting videos. Thank you very much. I love you all, and God bless you.